Hello, it's and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. And as you can see, I just dyed my hair dark blue and I'm not liking it. I don't know why, maybe because I'm having a hard time making an outfit that goes well with my hair, or maybe because I've been dyeing my hair light colors these past few months and I'm not used to have dark hair anymore. And I thought, you know what, maybe I should create a makeup look that goes well with my hair. So yeah, I'm doing it. This makeup look is going to be a neon lights inspired eye makeup. So if you want to see me create that look, just keep on watching. So to start off this makeup look, I'm gonna be priming my eyelids. Then I'm just dusting some translucent powder all over my lid so that the shadow blends well. So I'm taking this dark blue eyeshadow above my crease, kind of making a cut crease. Then I'm winging it out on the outer part of my eyes. Imagine doing a cat eye eyeliner but in a shadow form. You guys, this part needs a lot of blending, so just be patient and you'll get there. Using a blending brush, I'm just gonna smoke out everything. So after everything's blended out, I'm gonna be taking this white eyeliner. I'm gonna be doing the outline of the neon sign. You don't have to be really neat on this part because we're just gonna smudge it out later on. So while we're waiting for the eyeliner to dry, we're gonna start patting this black eyeshadow on our entire lids just to make the neon sign pop out more. Then I'm gonna go back in again with the neon with some blue eyeshadow. I'm so sorry, I'm getting out of frame. That is me really being focused. But yeah, just keep on blending. Then I'm going in again with the eyeliner. Then I'm smudging it again with a blue shadow. Basically, we're doing the same steps again. So I'm going in again with the white eyeliner, but this time I'm gonna be really precise with it because this is gonna be the last time I'll be putting the white eyeliner. So before working on our base makeup, make sure that there are no fallouts under your eyes. So I'm cleaning up the mess with a micellar water. Then I'm putting the same blue eyeshadow on the lower lash just to add some color. So I'm adding this blue mermaid color on the waterline. Then I'm adding some fake lashes. You don't need to, but this look is already extra, so why not? For the foundation, I'm mixing two foundations together. I swear this foundation is my shade, but the lighting made it look like I'm orange. I'm not trying to do white face, okay? Then I'm blending everything out with a beauty sponge. I love this sponge, it's so soft. I never had beauty blender, but I think they're all the same. Like, why would you spend $20 on a freaking sponge when there's $5 on the drugstore? I don't get it. Then I'm adding some concealer under the eyes and on the bridge of the nose. Dude, I don't know my words anymore. Then I'm gonna be contouring the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, and don't forget about the jaw lines because we don't want double chin. So we're gonna add a little bit of blush. We wanna be really light-handed here. Then I'm highlighting the highest peaks of our face, the cheeks, the nose bridge, the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. For our lips, I chose a very neutral color. And that completes the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll see you guys on my next videos. Bye!